miss you, Cancun. No.
So I'm here in Cancun. Weather is beautiful, 80s. At home right now, it's snowing. Well, it's not snowing, it snowed already. It's just snow covered, probably about an inch or so on the ground. Here's a clip of that. And here's what it looks like here.
It was our last day at the Reed Palace Peninsula, and we just got done enjoying the beach. We still had half the day and a few things left that we wanted to do before we left Cancun.
We just got done back from the beach where we went snorkeling, and I think the snorkeling at the beach here was better than our snorkeling excursion actually.
Oh yes.
And you could always put your feet down too if you're struggling with your mask or whatnot, which made it perfect. This whole experience has been great. I've had so much fun here at the Reed Palace Peninsula. I really wish I could spend a couple more days here, but unfortunately, we gotta go home tomorrow. It'll be nice to go home and see my little guy, Adric, because I kinda miss him.
As we were getting around for the evening, Brandy was dealing with a little situation.
There is a situation. All of my black bras are missing from our hotel room. Normally when we go on vacation, we lock everything up every time we leave the room, but we have a hamper in our room and we throw our dirty clothes in the hamper.
We usually bring like this portable hamper
We
with us.
bring a
whenever we
travel hamper.
Yeah, it folds out real nice. It goes
Yes.
compact and goes right into your luggage pretty easily.
Correct. So today I go to put on the dress that I wanted to wear for family pictures, and I have no strapless bras and I have no my other black bra.
Just
Gone.
happened to come up missing today.
Yeah, and what I'm gonna wear tonight is gonna have to be this because what I wanted to wear, I have to have a black bra for. So I hope my maid enjoys her black bras.
Hola.
Hey, it might not be the maid. It could be this fridge guy.
Yeah, maybe the fridge guy. Maybe the fridge guy's wearing them right now. Let's go find him.
And when she says fridge guy, what she means is there's an extra person that comes into your room every day to stock the mini bar. They stock up this little refrigerator with beers and sodas and waters and stuff for you daily. Normally, if it wasn't for COVID, they would have these bottles. These are liquor dispensers. They would normally have liquor right here. Because of COVID, they took those all out, and they actually, up until like a week ago, they took the coffee pots out. Luckily, we got that in time because I love to have coffee before everyone wakes up, because I get up super early usually. Hopefully we find her bras, and this is all a mistake on our part, but it's looking like that's not the case. I don't think she just misplaced her bras that stayed in this room the whole time.
We weren't finding those bras anywhere. Someone took them.
Me gusta!
We finished getting around, and then we headed to one of our favorite picture taking spots on the resort. April brought a full-blown tripod and
Oh, look, she's setting them up. She's setting her family up to take pictures, and then she'll set the timer for like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and then she'll run over there and sit down, and they'll take the picture, and then she'll go back and reset. Leaping over rock.
Don't fall! Pictures were a success. Now it was time to go off the resort and explore a little.
What are we doing?
Taking the bus to the flea market.
How far of a drive is that for us?
6 minutes. 45-minute walk.
All day long, there are buses that run routes up and down the hotel zone. All you gotta do is wave them down, and they'll stop for you. One trip costs less than $1 per person. The ladies wanted to do some shopping at the flea market down the street. It was pretty chaotic. Unfortunately, I didn't get any footage of that. What do you think about when you walk into a shop? What's going through your mind?
Seeing what things I can make deals on. Or like really checking out the material. Like I saw a water bottle in there.
Yeah.
And it was really pretty, but the material was so thin. Like I knew if I put water in it, I'd be able to taste the metal. And they wanted like $15 or something for it, and I was like, no, I'm not doing that.
Yeah.
And then I started, I was getting a t-shirt, and this guy, he said the original price was $15, and then I was like, oh no, we're gonna go eat dinner. And he's like, no, $10, $10. I didn't even say anything, I was just like,
We were just walking around and shopping.
The mamas wanted some tacos, so we decided to stop at a taco joint on the side of the street.
I think I got guacamole. I think I got
Who's it?
I've gotten guacamole like every single meal. That's really good.
They are delicious.
Yeah.
Delicioso.
See.
How was your shopping?
Good. Scary at times.
Scary?
Kind of feel a little unsafe. Like if you tell them no, it's kind of almost like you never know how they're gonna react.
Well, that was at the flea market.
Yeah. Don't go to the flea market. No. And the deals aren't even any better than anywhere else. Like we just went to a souvenir shop and got 2 shirts for $14, where the other place I got 2 shirts for what, 20?
You're saying it's just pretty much not worth your
It's
time
not
of
worth
being
your
bartering
time,
and all
yeah,
that. You're
and-
just gonna waste your vacation time.
Yes. And by the end of it, you'll feel very overwhelmed.
We decided to get back on the bus and head back to the Rio. That last bus ride was wild. It was all lit up and they had the music cranked playing old school hip hop.
Well, public transit in Cancun is very loud and partyish. But I knew all the songs.
The person behind us is like staring at me every single time I look back. It's fine. People are just waving them down on the street.
I know.
All right, we actually got almost everything crossed out of our agenda for today. I'm actually pretty surprised. We went snorkeling at the beach. We hung out at the beach. Family pictures, we got those done. Did a little bit of shopping. And now we are gonna try to hit up the Japanese restaurant and maybe get some sushi, hopefully. But we'll see how that goes. If we get that done, then we pretty much got everything done off our list for today. Super successful day. We did a lot of walking and we had like the craziest bus ride home. Pretty neat experience there. It was just really weird, wasn't it? We're wrapping up vacation.
Sadly.
What do you guys think about that?
We should cancel our flights and stay here another week.
Hey, I was thinking that when I was in the shower today. I was like, we should stay 2 more days.
I'm like, I don't have shows anymore.
Cora wanted to try sushi because she's never had it before. All-inclusives are great places for trying new foods because you don't have to pay.
Here she goes. First one. Some of them are better than others too.
You made him take that back and get you a different plate. You're gonna eat it.
No, sushi is not Cora's thing.
I love sushi.
Well, why do you think you would like sushi then?
I don't know, all my friends like it.
We went out to watch the show for the night. That night's entertainment was a mariachi band. I didn't know a single song, but it seems like a lot of people in the audience did. It was a perfect show to wrap up our last night in Cancun.
The last 3 years we've been going on vacation with our friends Matt and April. It has become a tradition to get this picture.
On our way back to the room, Brandy got the munchies, so we made a pit stop at the sports bar so Brandy could get a hot dog.
The hot dog isn't gonna be that great, just so you know. I think they serve those at breakfast. That's sausage. Well, this is it. It's our last day. We're packing up our stuff. We're gonna hit up the buffet for breakfast, and then we gotta head to the airport. Back to reality, back to the snow. But back to see our little guy, because we miss him.
It was a sad moment because we knew our time in Mexico was coming to an end, and we had a long day of travel ahead of us.
We had good weather the whole time.
Yes, above 80 the entire time.
And sunny.
And just absolutely gorgeous. I miss this place. We'll be back.
There are photographers that walk around the resort all day taking pictures. When they get a picture of you, they take your information. At any time during your stay, you can go look at those pictures and purchase them if you want.
We got the picture package last night. Went to pick up our pictures. They put all of our pictures on a flash drive. I go to pop the flash drive in the computer.
We see a lot of pictures on there. We get really excited thinking we're gonna have a lot of pictures. No, there's like random chicks posing on the beach along with our 7 pictures. So we have memories of these very flattering ladies' sexy poses on the beaches.
If we got someone else's sexy photos, I wonder if anybody got ours. Ugh, those were embarrassing. I hope nobody saw those complete failures. I could have been sexier.
It's 9 in the morning right now, and later tonight we'll be in the snowy cold.
I know.
Just hop on an airplane, all in the same day.
Not ready for snow.
The airport?
Yep.
How do you feel about it?
Good.
There's a Christmas tree. Keep forgetting that it's Christmas.
Hey, we don't even have a gate.
Bye-bye, Mexico.
Bye bye, Mexico.
Our first flight out of Cancun was delayed, which caused us to miss our second flight. Luckily, we were able to get a later flight home that night.
We made it back. And as you can see, this is not paradise. Yeah, we would have been home by now,
Yeah.
but we live a little bit further from the airport. I said it wasn't pretty earlier, but I mean, we went from paradise to... It's still pretty out here, it's just cold. That's pretty, right?
Yeah, unless you have to drive for 2.5 hours in it, then no, it's not freaking pretty.
Well, we finally made it. Now it's time to go to bed because it's like almost 1 o'clock.
It's always sad knowing that your vacation is over, but it was good to be home and see our little guy Adric. In our minds, vacation never ends. It was actually the beginning, because now it was time to start planning our next trip.
It's so cold out here. Why do I live here?
Doesn't make any sense. Why would anyone want to live here? It's like 15 degrees out here right now. Ridiculous. Man, it is so cold out there. What are you up to?
I think I just booked us a trip.
Oh yeah, where to?
Yeah, we're going to Florida.
Subscribe. That's not it. Make sure you check our next video. Me and Brandy are gonna break it down and give a full review of the Riu Palace Peninsula in Cancun, Mexico. If you're interested in seeing the first part of this vacation, make sure you click on the Cancun playlist at the end of this video.